go to rinse in a second, okay?
Scrub them.
Yeah. Do you want to hold it under the water and get it all clean? Good boy. Clean them off. That's the boy.
Now put them on the board.
On the board for me? On here?
Good boy.
Thank you. I'll put it back on the board.
Put him on the board now. He's all clean.
On here now. Bacon, on here. He's on here. Thank you, darling.
You going to scrub your dishes?
You want to run under the water? And no car park.